Everybody in our small Clarendon district feared Miss Edna. She was no ordinary old lady, she was an Obia woman. We used to see her every evening, sitting by her crooked gate with her big straw hat pulled low, just watching people pass. Some say she never blinked. Some say she could call your name in the night and make your soul answer. I never believed it, until it touched my own family. It started when children from our village, bright, smart children, began failing in life. No matter how hard they studied, no matter how much their parents struggled for them, they always ended up stuck. Some dropped out of school. Some got into bad company. Some just wasted away. People whispered that Miss Edna had buried their names, that she took their future, locked it up, and tied it down in the ground so they could never be anything. My cousin Marcia was the first in my family to get caught. She was only 12, and a brilliant child. But one night she woke up screaming that she saw Miss Edna standing at her window, whispering her name. From that day, nothing was the same.
Hey, watch out. May I tell you say now, if woman is not bumbuckler or Satan, there's none.
From the night Marcia screamed, our house felt different. She wouldn't sleep, and when she did, she would wake up shouting Miss Edna's name. Her schoolwork started to slip. This girl who once stopped her class couldn't even spell her name right anymore. Mommy cried every night. Daddy said it was just stress. But deep down, we all knew it was something else. One day, while sweeping the yard, I saw something buried halfway under the mango tree. It was a small, tied-up cloth, dirty with red thread and stuck with pins. When I picked it up, my skin got cold, like ice water had been poured down my back. Inside the cloth was a piece of paper, and written on it, in black, shaky handwriting, was Marcia's full name. I dropped it and ran inside. That same evening, Daddy went to the district elder, a God-fearing man named Brother Joel. He told us what we already feared.
You niece name get bury, and until new break it, she naga prosper.
Hey, people want to see you like you survive. Them plan all way to carry you down. Right? For destroy you, for break your back down, and for destroy you to blood clot natty man. Anyhow it look like you survive. You see, bumbo clot, the crab in a barrel, them Jesus God, some of them not know who.
The breaking of the curse. Brother Joel told us to fast and pray. For 3 days, we sang hymns in the house and read psalms out loud. Neighbors joined in, because truth is, Miss Edna had touched plenty of them too. On the third night, just past midnight, the lamp went out on its own. Marcia started shaking in her bed, her eyes rolling back. And from the window, we heard a voice calling her name, soft and wicked.
Marcia, Marcia.
Brother Joel shouted,
The blood of Jesus is against you.
And started to pray harder. The whole house joined in. I swear to you, in that moment, we heard footsteps running through the yard. But when we looked outside, nobody was there. The next morning, we burned that cloth with her name inside. As the smoke rose, Marcia let out a deep cry, like something heavy left her chest. She collapsed, then woke up whispering,
I feel free.
From that day, Marcia changed. She went back to school, and little by little, her brightness returned. She's all grown up now, and every time she tells her story, she says it wasn't just prayers that saved her. It was faith and community standing together. As for Miss Edna, not long after that, she disappeared. Some say she went to live with family in Kingston. Others say the very same spirits she used turned on her. But even now, when I pass that old crooked gate, I swear I can still feel her eyes watching. And I always tell the children in our district one thing: never let anybody call your name in the dark.